And we are slowly starting. This is not working the way I want. I'm going to speak in Franglish for now because we are just starting. And welcome to Seribot that is doing its work very well. Okay, so this is still the start. Okay, I'm just going to speak a lot, do a little selfie to say hi guys. The selfie is done. Maybe I shouldn't put the... You know what? I'm going to mute myself and then you will be able to listen to me. See you soon. It's working. I'm coming. hi everyone. Can everybody hear me? Say hi in the chat. Hi Amy, by the way, thank you for being there to be the best moderator and to ban everybody who behaves badly. Great. Hi Amy, hi Patatoscope. I hope everybody's ready for this stream where we finally we make a new version of the Paleo-October list. Okay. So yes Amy, they have to behave badly to be banned. We do not ban freely. We are we respect the freedom of expression of everybody that has the correct opinions only. Anyway. So, welcome everybody and welcome to the Paleo-October 2025 edition where we explore biodiversity in all of its greatness. So first, what is Paleo-October? It's a paleo art challenge where the goal is to represent one extinct species per day during the whole month of October. It's a challenge derived from Inktober, where the prompt is similar. You have a prompt for each day where you have to draw something. And my version is special paleontology. And if you think that you're going to draw a dinosaur day, I think you are going to be mistaken. And if you think you know all of the species that I'm going to show you, well then, think again. Good night. Hello, Laita. Hello, everybody. And hello to my partner in crime, the Hand. Here is the Hand. The Hand is going to help me today to present the different species that we are going to draw for the whole month of October. So, are you ready? Why in English? Because most people who participate in Paleo-October are English speaking. So we are going to work on our English. And bonsoir, Quadrophazon. Hello.
May I say a word?
Yes, of course. Hi.
Hi. The voice can speak.
The hand can speak.
Sorry. Yes, I speak. Badly in English, but I speak.
It's good. We are all frogs trying to speak in English here. Anyway, so tonight, let's not lose more time. The Hand can speak. What kind of abomination is this? He said. Yes, actually it has specialized organs to speak with its little hand. Here, yeah.
Here.
This is terrible. We are scientists who do crazy scientist stuff. So tonight we are going to pull the different species one by one. My God. One by one, thanks to a very intelligent system that was designed with a lot of craftsmanship. Really, it's beautiful. So I order you to welcome the vertebrate cup. Hello, Ayara. So the vertebrate cup on one side and the invert cup, where it's everything that is not a vertebrate. Yes, we are not allowed to say things like that, but it was easier to do the different pools. Because the problem is that we do not want to have 5 days in a row inverse or vertebrates. We want the list to be nicely diversified. So we will pull one from the verts, one from the inverts, and etc., 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 so that it will be spread out in the middle of the month. Okay, so I don't remember, however, do we have more inverts or verts? Which one should I
We
start
have
with?
16 inverts and 15 verts. So you have to begin with the inverts and you will end with the inverts.
Yes, okay. And yes, Quadrophazon, the plants are inverts.
Everything that
Technically,
is not a vert.
everything that is not a vertebrate is an invertebrate. So it's literally it's correct. Okay.
We do what we can. We cannot say the real names that are cool things and vertebrates. So
Oh, okay. We have we have a biased opinions here. Okay, should I be the pro vertebrate and you are the pro invertebrates?
but are you really pro vertebrates?
No, I'm not. I love everything. I I cannot. Are you an invert, Ayara? Unfortunately, I think that you are a vertebrate. Unless you have no spine. Would you consider that you have no spine? That is a good question, Ayara. Do you have a spine? Okay. So, let's start. Inverts. Are you guys ready? Can you remove your spine? No, Ayara, do not do that. Manuel Valls is... Wow, okay. Manuel Valls is an invertebrate, thanks to the chat. So, let's go. ASMR. ASMR. What do we have? Little paper. ASMR. Which one is it? And... Oh! It is written in yellow, so you will not be able to read. But believe me, it's written Libanoculex. Okay, what is Libanoculex? Okay, let me.
Spoiling the.
I am not spoiling anything because people cannot see. And now, transition, magic. Wow. Libanoculex. Oh no! The chat is on top of the... We can see the title. I'm so sorry. I made a mistake. Oh, I see. I know. Da 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 da. Hey, no, not this one. We are going to... I'm sorry, chat. We are going to censor you. Da 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 da. Bam. There we go. Look at that. We are so good at fixing problems that we can do it on live. I'm very proud of me. Okay. So, Libanoculex. Let me just take my notes. Where is it?
It's a mosquito.
It's a mosquito. Can you recognize that it's a mosquito? It has blood-sucking mouth parts. And yes, we are starting with an insect, so I'm very happy as an entomologist. It was found in amber, in Lebanese amber, and it's the most ancient mosquito known to date. So a pretty impressive specimen. And what is interesting is that you know how it's only females that suck blood in mosquitoes. So every time you have to say he or she about a mosquito that is trying to attack you, you should always say she, except for these, because here the males also have blood-sucking mouthparts. So you cannot gender this mosquito based on the mouthparts. So, is it cool? I think that is cool. Okay, can you write Libanoculex, or do I do it?
You are.
I'm the closest.
Keyboard.
Yay! Do you have something to add? The hand.
Yes, you said the males have blood-sucking mouthparts. It's true, but the species has been described from 2 males and only 2 males. So we don't know if the females had blood-sucking mouthparts.
That is true. Maybe it was reversed. Maybe it was only the males that could suck on blood. The males were suckers.
That's fairly improbable.
Yes, yeah.
You have to say that.
Yeah, because the females use, I mean, they do this to have enough resources to care for, to produce the eggs. Yes. So they should be able to use blood. Okay, what is the chat saying? Let's go back to here. So we have added Libanoculex. What have you said already? So Ayara said the stream is trans because we were using transitions on the nice. yes. My OBS is officially trans. It's a they them. Fluffy antennae. Were these fluffy antennae?
Yes.
Yes. Yeah. Oh, totally. It's true that mosquitoes usually have. I mean, no, they don't always have fluffy antennae.
Males have fluffy antennae.
Males have fluffy antennae.
Almost always.
Yes.
It's in fact male's mosquito. It's pretty cute.
Yeah. And they are completely innocent.
Yes. And in fact, they also have the modern male mosquitoes have very similar mouthparts. You cannot, on the external shape of the mouthparts, say if it's a male or female. But when you look at the microstructures of the mouthparts, it's you can see differences, and that's with the good quality of the amber that we can see that there are the microstructures that are linked with the blood-sucking mouthparts in the males of Libanoculex.
Okay. Interesting question. Patatoscope asked what kind of blood, because Libanoculex is from 125 million years ago. So, well,
you have a lot of things.
There's a lot of things that 125 million years ago. Maybe dinosaurs.
Maybe dinosaurs.
Maybe dinosaurs.
Anything else. You have mosquitoes that takes the blood of a lot of things today. You have mosquitoes that takes blood of snakes. You even have tiny mosquitoes that suck the blood of other insects, as far as I know.
Okay, let's go to the next one. Otherwise, we are going to spend 3 hours on this. Let's make a park with the blood. I agree. We should do that. Okay, next we are going for a vertebrate. Little paper ASMR. Up. Which one is it? and it's Eothyris. Oh, we can almost see it. Yes, Eothyris. What is this weird thing, you might ask? And this was not the most efficient way to do this, but it works. And transition. Bam. This is not a lizard, by the way. This is not a lizard. This is a cynapsid. So meaning that it's closer to you and me than to a lizard, because it's it's in the family that is closer to mammals, thanks to the anatomy of the skull. It's because we have only one temporal hole. Fenestra. Yeah, thank you. And yes, it's very funny because it has these fangs, these huge fangs at the extremity of the muzzle. So it's very weird, and it has very forward eyes. It looks like a monster design, honestly.
Drawn by your child.
Yeah. Do you have anything to add?
Nothing.
It's a lizard that is not a lizard. And hi commentary, welcome to the stream. Back to the start, and oh, I forgot to add it. It has a very terrible name, Eothyris. Amy says, synapsid can also be recognized on a pre-post caniniform tooth dentation. I don't know if it applies for this one, because I think it was very primitive in terms of teeth.
In fact, the fangs are the canines.
The fangs are the canines.
Something like the canines.
Okay, very well. Okay, shall we go to the next invert? Let's go. Hopla. I found one, and oh. It's going to be funny. It's written in green. Can you see it? Runcaria. Ooh.
Runcaria.
Runcaria. Yay!
Nice little thing.
You're going to hate us, but it's okay. It's okay. You're going to love the concept. Oh, you know that one, Amy. Congrats. And transition. Ta-da! It is a plant. Let me just take my the notes. This plant is the Tiktaalik of seed plants. So, meaning that it was one of the first. It was a terrestrial plant, and it had something that looks like a sort of seed, but it's not yet a seed plant.
Spermatophyta.
Spermatophyta, yes. And I really love this fossil because it's so dainty. Look at this. It's so... it's beautiful. It's really beautiful. But we have to take into account that this is probably only the reproductive part of the plant. The entire plant probably did not look like only that. This is like, it's not a flower, but it's the equivalent of the flower. So you wouldn't have it like sprouting from the ground. You have to imagine that it was attached to something like a huge tree, something that looks maybe like Archaeopteris, not Rex. These kind of proto trees. Yes, do you have something to add? The hand.
Yes, that it's like Tiktaalik, it's not that is not tetrapod, but already have some characters of the tetrapod. Runcaria have some characters of the seed plant, but is not a seed plant, and it, in that way that it's an interesting, very interesting fossil. Some will say that it's a transitional fossil. I don't like this concept. We don't like it.
Nah.
But it's very interesting. And on the fossil of Runcaria, what we have is the female reproductive organs. So we can imagine that there were also males reproductive organs that might have been completely different in terms of morphology.
Mm-hmm.
You can imagine something that look like the reproductive organs of Archaeopteryx also.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So if you want to draw something in its globality and not just the reproductive part, take a look to Archaeopteryx.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm. This is a good advice, and I think that artistically speaking, this is really a species that has a lot of potential because it's really beautiful. So maybe you can do only the anatomy of the flower, the reproductive part. Maybe you can try to draw the different individuals, different trees. There's a lot of potential, so I'm very happy about this one. Okay, next we have done a plant. We have done a non-vertebrate. So we are now pulling for a vertebrate. And yes, Amy, we did Archaeopteryx, so you can look at the previous suggestions. And hello, Vulcan! Welcome to the stream where we are drawing. We are presenting many species that nobody knows about. So, we have our vertebrate cup. Let's grab one. And I have one. What is it? Oh, you know this one. If you know a bit of about paleontology and a classic, this is Meiolania. Meiolania. Take this. Up. Let me put on the slide. Proves Meiolania, and it's very funny. And transition. Here we are. Okay, Meiolania is a turtle, not a tortoise for some reason.
Not a tortoise.
Yes, it's very well known. It's one of the largest species of terrestrial turtles that we know of, with a shell of up to 2 meters long, and it had a thagomizer, so these spikes on the tail, very heavily bona fide parts, probably used for defense. And spikes also on the head, as you can see on this paleo art. So it's very, it's it's really like a stereotype of prehistoric turtle here. And it's the artist drew some babies and they are super cute.
If you are old enough, you might remember of the tycoon Meiolania.
Yes, in Zoo Tycoon there was Meiolania. That's true. And
just a little thing, phylogenetically speaking, Meiolania is something that is very different from every other modern turtle. It's in fact not related to any modern turtle. It's its own branch of the tree of life, and it's separate from the rest of the turtles that give the modern ones about more than 100 million years ago. And if there are one group that I think that it's very sad that it came to be extinct, it's this one, because it's a group that had more than 100 million years of history and that go extinct 3,000 years ago.
Yes, they were here. They were still among us 3,000 years ago. This was yesterday. It's we were just this far from meeting them.
Humans meet them.
Yes, some humans did meet them.
Yes.
But us, we were so close.
And we don't even have DNA.
Yes.
We have nothing.
Yes, because it was in Australia, in Pacific Islands, so we have no chance of having anything. It's very sad. Okay, Meiolania is done. Quadrophazon thought I was drinking from the vertebrate cup. I do enjoy a cup of vertebrates in the morning. It really helps getting to a good mood. Next, inverts. Let's go. We are on the 5th day. And what is it? Isastrea.
Oh.
What is it already? I already forgot.
It's a coral.
Ah, yes. Let me just grab it. And where did I put it? Here. Isastrea. Hop là. Isastrea. It is a piece of coral. So it was probably found all over the world. And it's when was it? 200 million years ago to 880.
That's a lot.
That's very, very long. So in terms of taxonomy, it is probably not super well defined. And yes, they have very cute little stars. They are really beautiful. So we are going to pretend like it was the same genus for 120 million years. Because we don't have any more knowledge about the classification of corals. And so it's a cnidaria, meaning that it's they are cousins to modern corals and blub 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 blub. Jellyfish, thank you. The blub blub blub.
Animal?
Yes. Anemone. Anemone?
I don't know.
Anemone.
I'm frog.
We are going to pretend like it is. Amy said they are really abundant in the Jurassic of Normandy in France, but yes, the classification is a mess. Yes, I can imagine that. So again, for this one, a lot of potential with the colors, I think, and the shapes, because there's this skeleton, this calcified skeleton that is just the base of the coral, and so you can really go wild with the shapes and textures. Next. Anemone. In good French, if you want to pronounce it in English. Anemone. We are going to say anemone. What was the name? Isastrea. Isastrea. Okay. Next to... vertebrates. Yes, vertebrates. That we are not drinking. And... okay. Let's go for the 6th day. Da, 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 da. Oh! Ichthyotitan. Ichthyotitan. Very well named. Ichthyo and transition. There we are! Ichthyotitan! It's a giant ichthyosaur! Wow! And really one of the largest animals... Wait. Largest known fossil animal?
Largest known fossil animal.
Okay.
If you not in terms of length, but of weight, because in fact sauropods are the longest animal of every time, probably. But if you look at the weight, it's the largest fossil animal. No.
And it could rival with blue whales, and not Perucetus, because in case you didn't know, Perucetus has been highly nerfed. We have nerfed Perucetus because the estimations for weight were greatly exaggerated. So it's not a giant anymore, not that much.
It's big, it's gigantic, but not as much as it would claim.
Yes. It's also interesting that it's the youngest of the giant ichthyosaurs. So with 202 million years, I don't know what happened next to them.
The Triassic-Jurassic extinction. And giant ichthyosaurs didn't make it.
F in the chat for giant ichthyosaurs. Okay, and it's an ichthyosaur, so you will have fun drawing them. Up next. We didn't write it. Ichthyotitan.
Nice.
It's not easy to write it. R.I.P. And Amy said there's a really good video from PBS Eons on the subject of ichthyosaur gigantism, so please check it out. Next beast, or plant, or fungus, or
whatever,
from the invert cup. Let's go. Up. Number 7. We have... already! Sequoites! It's another plant. Hopla. Please. Thank you. We are going to use all of our plant spots. Sequoites. Very easy for this one. Bam! It's a sequoia. And it's big.
A redwood in English.
A redwood. They don't say sequoia? They say redwood?
Yes, redwood.
This is ridiculous.
We have a redwood.
Yes, we do have a bit of a redwood. Wait. Where is it? Where did I put it? No! Where's my piece of redwood? No redwood for me! Well, no redwood. It's hidden.
Do we want looking for it?
No, it's okay.
Okay.
It's fine. Yes, they saw that the wood was red and they just called it redwood. Typical Americans. What is the size of that thing?
I don't know.
No idea.
We don't find the entire tree like that, so I don't know.
We don't know.
But probably big.
Probably big, because usually trees are found in rather partial. And here you have a little detail, a fossil detail of the scales that it had, which is very similar of how what it looks like in current redwood, I would say. And hello, Pokesaurus. Oh no, he's going to ask for the forbidden taxa in the Paleoctober list. Please be ready to ban Pokesaurus. No, do not ban Pokesaurus, please. He's okay. Next. Do you have something to add?
No.
Okay, we can go to the next one. Oh, I forgot to write it. Sequoites. Here we are. And be careful, Pokesaurus. Oh my god. Oh, you will know it when he says it. No, please do not bully him. He's nice. He's a good one. Okay, so next vertebrate for the 8th day. And oh, fun! Masiakasaurus. We have our first dinosaur, and you are going to be very disappointed because it's not a normal dinosaur. No, what did I do? Up. Masiakasaurus. Look at this idiot. Sorry. Look at this very interesting specimen. Really with an extremely strange jaw, for some reason with the teeth protruding forward. Maybe it was an adaptation to a specialized diet. Maybe it ate fish, maybe it ate some specific insects. We do not know. But it looked like that. And it was a theropod from the family of Noasauridae. And yes, so it's really a theropod that decided to have this very weird jaw. So you have a theropod. Be happy, guys. Do you have something to add?
Nothing.
Very well. Let's go to the next one then. Masiakasaurus. Tac. Next one. Vertebrates, invertebrates, invertebrates. And Protobalanus. Protobalanus spinicoronatus.
Very nice one.
A very nice one. I love that one. From an aesthetic point of view, It's incredible. Up, up, and transition. It's not even a barnacle. It's a fake news. It's not a barnacle. It's a
Multiplacophora.
A multiplacophora, which is the
stem group.
The stem group to monoplacophora.
Mono? No.
Yes.
Kittens.
Yes. Are they not mono?
No, it's polyplacophora.
It's poly?
The kittens.
Ah, yes, it's polyplacophora. I'm just going to take my notes. Yes. And it's beautiful. So they are most related to chitons. Chitons? Chitons, yes. Which are these kinds of mollusks with multiple plates on top of it. And the current ones that we have, current chitons, not kitten. Okay.
We'll have to write it.
I'm going to write it. Chiton. Hop là. But it would be funny to have a plated kitten. Plated mollusks that hang out on the bottom of the sea. And these ones are super textured, and I love it. It is beautiful. I hope you have a lot of fun drawing that one. Anything to add?
Nothing.
Very
just
well.
For the methodology, the fossil has been studied in 3D with microtomography, which is a kind of 3D radiography, and it's that's why we have reconstructions that have a lot more of structures that what you can see on the fossil.
So it's very, very nice. We have a lot of data for that one. So it's cool. Okay, what was the name? Protobalanus. Balanus.
Oh, and a little thing. Protobalanus is also the name of some kind of Quercus. The oak.
Yes.
Yes.
Oak.
And,
oak trees.
So you have to search Protobalanus spinicoronatus, or you will never find it.
Yes, exactly. It's a little long, so we'll have to do a little bit of graphic design. But for now, I'm not going to touch it. Next, a vertebrate. Vertebrate. Yeah. And for the 10th of October, we have... someone is going to be happy. It's Mourasuchus. Mourasuchus. Oops, I did it. It is. No, it's fine. Mourasuchus. Transition. And it's a croc. A very interesting looking croc. That was very recent, actually, 16 to 5 million years ago, so it's rather recent, I would say. And it had a very weird shape for the head, very wide. Some would say that it looked a bit like a toilet seat. And this specialized head was said to be useful for capturing a huge amount of small prey, so a little bit like baleen whales do today. And can you see the little holes on the fossil at the top of the jaw? There are little holes, and these are called occlusal pits, because this animal had such huge teeth that some of them can go through the the upper jaw and protrude in front of the eyes. Can you see what I'm talking about? It's a bit like Mastodonsaurus, which is my favorite temnospondyl ever. So I feel a lot of kinship towards this crocodile. Okay, what are people saying? Shovelhead croc, yeah. And Amy said, crocs from the Miocene of South America are so underrated. That was Mesozoic returns from them. Yes. Hello, Polonium. Hello. It's a huge crocodile, yeah. Do you have something to add?
Just a little thing. From the reconstruction perspective, keep in mind that just like a baleen whales have a huge head for their size, it was the same for Mourasuchus.
Mm-hmm.
The head was nearly 1/4 of the full length. So it's a very, very, very big head.
A very big head, yes. 1/4 of the animal is the head.
About that. Something about that.
Wow.
Really huge and far larger than for a standard crocodile.
Incredible.
And it's, from the phylogenetic point of view, it's a caiman.
It's a caiman?
Yes.
Cool. Cool. Okay, let's add it to the list. There we go. Mourasuchus. Buff. Up. Yes, Polonium. It was probably to be a better feeder, to catch more prey. Okay, next one. Let's go. For day 11, we have way less little papers now. Let's see. I'm trying to find this one. Okay. And what is that already? Melanocyrillium.
Oh.
What is that already? I forgot. I swear I prepared.
The best one.
I forgot. Okay. Let me find the slide already. What was this?
Melanocyrillium.
Okay, I remember. This is the best species that we have ever had, I think, in a Paleoctober list. And you are not ready.
No, they can't be.
This is the best one ever. This is a fossil amoeba. Amebozoa amoeba. Donc, une amibe fossile for the Frenchies. And so, what can I say? It's an amoeba which we know the shape of. It's beautiful, really, really. We have, yes, we have that. And we have a lizard that is licking the amoeba. It's licking it. And I find the fossil absolutely beautiful. Look at this shape with a... It's a hexagon, I think. Yes, it's a hexagon. And it has a little hole in the middle, and it's incredible. I think, again, from an artistic point of view, there's a lot of of potential here as well, because you're going to draw something that is extremely small, and you can play around with the flou. How do you say the flou when something is flou?
Blurriness.
Yes, blur. You can play around with blur so that you can have many different colors, things like that. And these little amebes swimming around, I think it's cool.
Maybe you shall explain what an amebe is, because we know what it is, but
what is an amebe?
No, you. Or I can, but
okay.
Yes.
It's a singular cell organism. It's a eukaryota. And what do I say?
Part of what we call sometimes protozoa.
Yes, yeah. Protozoa, protista. Protista isn't that much.
Rather protozoa.
Protozoa, yeah.
And I think, I'm not sure.
Polonium said protista. I'm going to go with what Polonium said.
And they are little predators. Yes, they are little predators that will eat other unicellular organisms. And that's it. That's very weird. Also, look at the age it has. The Melanocyrillium. It's a Precambrian organism. It's very, very old.
Yes, also. Yes, it's very, very old, this one. And I think they have some flagellae to help with movement and feeding.
Yes, depends on the species.
Mm-hmm.
But yes.
Mm-hmm.
Some modern species are some of the largest unicellular organisms. You have some of them that are nearly a centimeter long, I think.
Mm-hmm.
They can be really huge, but not this one.
Yeah. Polonium said protozoa is not really used nowadays. There's one species that is a pathogen.
Oh, okay.
And yes, you can totally propose your own list for next month, Pokesaurus. Yes, it's quite unique to have fossils of amoeba, because I don't know any other fossil amoeba.
There are others.
There are others,
but I don't know how much.
Okay, yeah, we'll see. Okay. Writing the name, so Melanocyrillium. Melanocyrillium. Okay. Number 12. We go back to the normal things. Normal things.
Normal
Are
things.
they normal?
Really?
There's nothing normal in our list. There's nothing normal in our list.
Okay.
There's nothing normal. He doesn't believe me. Let's go. Number 12 is going to be Nyctosaurus. Nyctosaurus, a classic. People usually know that one. And studio mode. Nyctosaurus is a... Okay, let me just first get the slide and let's go. Nyctosaurus, hi! This is a pterosaur that has decided that it was going to have a tree on top of its head. I don't know. It's extremely original. Some people have hypothesized that it had a membrane on it. I do not think that is super plausible. It may be, but the problem is that it would put a lot of stress on the neck when there's a bit of wind, and you don't want to break your neck just because there's a bit of wind that goes on your head.
Especially when you live in sea, where there are a lot of wind.
Yes, they were probably eating fish. I think. Yes.
They were eating fish, and they do not have hands.
They do not have hands. They have. It's just the finger that does the wing,
and that's all.
And there's nothing. No little claws at the top here. It's just one finger.
So they spent all their time not on land.
Yeah.
In the air or
in the
the sea, I don't know, but not on land.
Yeah, they were probably always flying. Okay, next. We're going good. Maybe we can finish before midnight. It would be nice. Nyctosaurus. Okay, next. So this is your birthday vertebrate then? Quadrophazon? Cool. Let's go for the inverts. And for the 13th of October, it's Eoproscopia. Eoproscopia in yellow, so that means that it's an insect.
Yes, Eoproscopia.
Oops. Well, okay. I can change like that too. Eoproscopia, sorry. There we go. Oh yes, I remember. I had forgotten what it was. Eoproscopia. Please, where are the notes? I forgot about the notes. Where are the notes? There they are. Okay. So, it looks like a stick bug. It is not a stick bug. It is not a stick insect. It's not a Phasmatodea. It's not a phasmid. It is a grasshopper. So meaning that it's the big legs here, they jump. It's a jumping insect, and it's very, very funny because it's really elongated, and it's definitely using this shape to mimic branches. So it's the same strategy as stick insects, and it's what was the interesting thing with this one? I mean, it's already a stick. Yes. A stick grasshopper, so it's very funny already.
Yes, it's interesting from itself.
Yes, you're right.
Yes. It's from Crato Formation in Brazil, which is one of the most well-known formation for insects fossils in the world, and it's also known for a lot of vertebrates, such as pterosaurs, I think.
Yes.
And everything burned in the museum of Brazilian Museum a few years ago. But anyway, and in the case of Eoproscopia, so we think it's related to the proscopid grasshoppers that still exist today, and they still lived in Brazil. It's very convenient. But you will see that there are several differences. The photo is from a modern proscopid, and modern proscopid don't have rings. Eoproscopia have rings, and also Eoproscopia have a normal shaped head, not an elongated head like the modern proscopid. So it's it looks like a proscopidae, but it's not exactly the same than modern proscopids are.
Meaning that, so it had wings, meaning that it can jump and it can fly.
Yes or no? Maybe.
Maybe.
Most
Okay.
probably only males
Yes.
for something like that.
Okay. And to see what an elongated and long-legged Orthoptera looks like, you can look at Clonia valbergi, which is a carnivorous catodid.
Not related at all, but it's also an elongated orthoptera with rings, so it can give you some indication.
Okay, I'm going to add it. Eoproscopia. Amy said, you have the first full modern mushroom full body fossil from Crato, if I remember correctly, with a trunk and cap. Cool.
Nice.
There's a lot of beautiful things from Crato. It's and you can really, if we can look a little bit at the fossil again, you can really recognize Crato fossils because the matrix, meaning that the rock around the fossil always has this particular look with a very fine. I mean, it doesn't look rough. It looks very smooth.
In fact, we'll have something like that on all diatomite fossils.
Yes.
But periodized diatomite fossils, that's I don't know anywhere else than Crato, and we will find it. And what is very nice with Crato is the fossils are periodized, so it's iron, and as it is iron, it means that you can easily study them with microtomography, for example.
Yes.
And it's so you can have a really good quality and find a lot of details with that.
Yeah. Okay. And hello, Imen Farmer. Incredible name, by the way. Welcome to the stream. Next, a vertebrate now. Let's go. Search for a vertebrate. What do we have hiding in this vertebrate? Allenypterus. Yes. Allenypterus. Bam. A fifth. Ah yes, I remember the fifth. It's very funny. So, this thing is a fish. It looks like a fish. It's a fish, but most importantly, it's a coelacanth. Un coelacanth for the Frenchies. So.
Oh, but I think that coelacanth never evolved.
Coelacanth have always looked the same, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I can boop it, I think. Oh, I can almost boop it. Incredible. Finally a real animal. You think this looks like a real animal? It doesn't even have a tail. Where is its tail? Anyway, it's very funny coelacanth that was found in Montana from 318 million years ago. And it's beautiful. It's extremely weird in shapes. And this is why it took my heart. There's beautiful photos of the fossils, so you can have a lot of inspiration for that one. And yes, I really love it. I think it's going to be very easy to draw also. And it shows also that coelacanths are super diverse at this period in time. Do you have something to add?
No.
Okay, we can go to the next one. First, Allenypterus. There's a Y in the middle, right? Yes, Allenypterus. There we go. Yes, exactly, Imen Farmer. Everybody knows that coelacanth radiated 350 million years ago and then stopped changing entirely. Common knowledge. This is all sarcasm. Let's say it at least. Okay, next we are going on the inverts for the 15th. We are at the middle of the month. Woohoo! Let's go. Who are you? And you are Plectronoceras. Plectronoceras. Should have written in with something more. But it's okay, it's okay. We do what we can. And Plectronoceras. Oh, beautiful, right. Transition. And it's a mollusk. I don't remember what we had to say about this one. Plectronoceras. Yes, okay. It's the oldest known cephalopod. So I really like this this artwork, by the way, by Entelognatus. Really beautiful. The old reconstructions actually reconstructed this species as a kind of weird snail with tentacles crawling on the ocean floor, but those reconstructions seem to be based on pre-phylogenetic views. And this is we are still working on this on trying to show that it was not a snail but a cephalopod, a weird cephalopod.
Yes.
And it didn't have to look like a snail.
If you look at the previous hypotheses on the evolution of mollusks, you will find an idea that cephalopod arose from the monoplacophora, and so that Plectronoceras was a kind of monoplacophora with an hat. And,
yes, yeah.
It's really weird, and really the study of fossil mollusk has been really weird before the phylogeny came.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
it only come a few years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Very. It was. What was we have you remember we have
Isabelle Rouget.
Yes.
Yes.
That talk about it.
Yes.
The first analysis, phylogenetical analysis on ammonites.
Yes.
Are from about 20 years ago.
Yes.
While the systematic revolution, the Enigran revolution, it's 70 years ago.
Yes.
So
yes. They have avoided using phylogenetic techniques for 50 years. So they were really set on their ways. But fortunately, science wins. Science progresses. Okay, next. Plectronoceras. Next, we are going back to the vertebrates. And let's go. Up. What is it? It's Cainotherium. Cainotherium. We are going in the realm of mammals, which we usually don't have a lot of, but sometimes we have to show some mammals. We cannot always stay mammal-phobic. Anyway, and it's very funny. It's a very funny animal, by the way. It's actually, it looks like a hare, a bunny, a rabbit, but it's actually an arthrodactyl, so more related to modern camels, meaning that it has cow-like hooves. So very funny, but it had the ecological niche of rabbit, so adapted for jumping, a good sense of smell and hearing, and it grazed in vegetation. So it's really a rabbit with hooves.
Yes.
Do you have something to add?
No.
Okay, very well. It's very cute. Very cute. I think it's going to be lovely for some people. So let's go for the next one. Could it swim? I have no reason to believe that it didn't swim.
Yeah.
I mean, most mammals can swim, so I think you can you can put it in water. Maybe it will not be very at ease. But yeah, I think it does. The head is wrong, says Polonium. It is weird. It is weird. Amy says it lived with crocodiles, so it tried to avoid it. Probably. I mean, we do try to avoid crocodiles when we can.
You didn't avoid the crocodile.
I didn't avoid the crocodile yesterday because we were playing Path of Titans, and I was decimated by a Sarcosuchus that I didn't see before going into the water. Before I had a little bit of I was cautious. I didn't trust it, but then I lost my fear of water, and this was I died. It was terrible, and now I'm again very afraid of rivers in Path of Titans. Anyway, maybe we'll be able to see me playing this game in another stream. What was the name already? Cainotherium. Yes, thank you. Maybe it could ride its cetacean friends. Maybe it was a friend of the cetaceans. We just don't know. Okay, let's go for the next invert. And next invert is Archaeomarasmius.
Oh.
Archaeomarasmius. A beautiful name, by the way. You can really see the love, I think, in this name. It's this one, right?
Mm.
Yes. And it is a fungus. It's a fossil fungus, and the name really speaks for itself. It's Archaeo, so old, Marasmius, a marasme, a miasme. It's very, very funny for the name. The name is incredible. It was found in amber in New Jersey, and it was very similar to the modern genera of Marasmius and Marasmiellus, and we think that it was ecologically similar. You don't have anything to add?
No.
Okay. So really funny, probably a very small fungus.
Yes, it's a
Mushroom.
few millimeter wide. A few
millimeters wide, so
Yes.
a very small thing. Again, I love the small things because you can really play with the blur. You can be wild with the colors because you know that mushrooms can really have a wide range of colors. Polonium asks, what is the ecological niche? I don't remember.
Wood leaves.
On rotten leaves?
Rotten leaves.
Rotten
yes.
leaves.
Yes.
Okay.
It's
It's,
we think. We think it's something like that, and probably very similar to the modern genus. So easy to find.
Yeah. So this is probably why this artist, which is not the one I would have expected for this one, Apocritarus. It looks like somebody else that contributes on Wikipedia.
But it's not Apocritarus, those famous illustrations?
I don't remember.
I don't know.
Maybe. I don't know. Someone that does a lot of very colorful, sometimes a little bit too colorful illustrations for Wikipedia, but I love his work, and I think it's better to have weird representations than no representations at all. So
and the representation he made are accurate.
yes, he does accurate stuff, and that's the main thing that we want. Okay, Archaeomarasmius. Let's write it. Up, can you show me again the Archaeomarasmius? Yes, thank you. Okay, next, vertebrate time for the 18. And someone is going to be not happy. Sebecus. We are going back to the crocs. But there's only 2 crocs this year. And transition. Look at this beautiful baby. Sebecus is a terrestrial crocodile, and I really like it because it's really it's not flat, it's more box-like, let's say. It's a predator that is adapted for terrestrial life, and you can really see it in its anatomy, with a very long snout and very strong jaws. These jaws are massive. And what was interesting about it as well, I forgot. Crocodiles. From South America. Do you want to add something?
Yes. So it's a member of a group that is called the Sebecyan. Sebecyan diverged from the rest of the crocodiles about 100 million years before Sebecus. So Sebecus had about 100 million years to evolve as a terrestrial crocodile. So please do not represent this one like just a crocodile with limbs. No, it's a really fully terrestrial creature that would have lips, not just like in the illustration, to protect the teeth. And by the way, the teeth are very similar in morphology to what is found on Tyrannosaurid. And there are crushing and chewing teeth.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it. And also, do not put a crocodile tails of something that don't see water in 100 million years.
Yeah. Yes. It really has to be terrestrial. Okay, Imen Farmer asked if is it related to the Egyptian god Sobek. Yes, definitely, yes.
It is Sobek in Latin.
Yes. Mm-hmm. And Polonium is going, so bye Polonium, see you, and thank you for passing by, it was very lovely. And hi Punkorbo, welcome to the stream. up. I'm just going to change a little bit like this to have a little more space. There we are. Better. Have we said everything that we wanted?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. We can add it to the heap. Sebecus. Simple as that.
Yes.
Cool. Okay. Now invert. Invert. What is the next invert? Oh! The final plant. Asterophyllites. Asterophyllites. Very easy, that one, I think. Very easy. Very pretty, by the way. Up, up. Asterophyllites. Transition. There we are. There's a plant that disappeared?
No.
Oh, you did.
normal.
There wasn't an illustration for that one?
I didn't find a reconstruction that was free of charge.
Ah, yeah. Yes, because all of the illustrations that were presented in the slides are free of... they are open source, so we could use it. We didn't take... everything is legal here. It's copyright free. There we are. Yes, so we have... Asterophyllites, which is a fossil horsetail fern. Equisetum. In French, this is prêle.
Yes.
The prêle. But instead of being just a little bush, it was probably a whole tree. There's a lot of representations that you can find on the internet. It's very beautiful, very similar to what we have in terms of structure. I mean, it's a horsetail, so super easy to draw. Known from every continent. Except Antarctica, but nobody does work on Antarctica, so it's normal that we don't find as many species in Antarctica than anywhere else. Do you have something to add?
No, sir.
Very well. So very easy. It's a horsetail tree. I hope people will be brave enough to draw it. Oh, Amy said we have a lot of it in France.
Nice.
Là, it was Asterophyllites. Yes. We're good. Next. Vertebrates. Am I in the vertebrates? Yes,
you're
I'm
in
in
the
the vertebrates. For the 20. Einiosaurus. Ta-da! Einiosaurus, easy. You see, we have the destinies with us because this is the 20th day of the month. People are going to be tired of learning things every day, and all of a sudden, bam, a simple Triceratops with a weird horn coming up and saying, hey, now you can take a little break. Draw a dinosaur. It's going to be fine. What can we say about this one? Duke. Einiosaurus. Yes, so you're very run-of-the-mill ceratopsian, but with an original horn. I saw that on the Wikipedia page for Ceratopsia. There's a super useful figure about what we know about the skin the teguments that were found in ceratopsians. So this can definitely help you if you want to draw some details about the scales, the different kind of scales that were found on these animals, so that you can have a bit of inspiration. And I think that is all that we can say with this one. I really like it.
Yes, that's it.
Okay, Einiosaurus. Even Farmer says, I like how you describe it like it's some kind of auction. Yes! There's love for every single one of them, and I'm trying to sell all of them to you so that you are brave enough to draw them every day. This is the goal. Einiosaurus. Easy. Centrosaurus being the main template to take for the skin. It's really close to Einiosaurus. Yes, you're right, Amy. Next, invert. I want this one, not this one. Yes. There's no difference in texture to the little papers. I just wanted the one that was inside and not outside. And this one is Eramoscorpius. Eramoscorpius. Easy. Well, not that easy. This
Not
one.
that easy.
Not that easy, you think?
Well, easy and
Okay, you're
but
going to tell me.
interesting.
Interesting, yes. All of the time. They are all going to be interesting. Eramoscorpius, yes. And go. So, it's... is it a scorpion?
Yes, it is a scorpion.
Yes.
One of the very first terrestrial scorpion.
Yes.
That is, in fact, fairly different of the modern scorpion. If you want to know more about the difference between modern scorpion and the first terrestrial scorpion, you can harass Hemipterid.
Yes.
But it's very interesting. You will see, for example, the morphology of the legs is very different from the modern scorpion, and such a morphology cannot hold the weight of the body for a very long time. It's so it's very interesting in terms of morphology, and it's very big. It's up to 17 centimeters long, so it's big. And what I find quite interesting is that as today in the Silurian you already have scorpions that have thin how do you say the
Pincers?
pincer? I don't know.
I would say pincers.
Yes, thin pincers, and others that have thick pincers. That is, in modern scorpion, linked with the ecology and the power of the venom. Here you have something that probably have a very potent venom, and rely on his venom to kill its prey, while you have other primitive terrestrial scorpions that have thick pincers and relies on their brute force rather than on their venom.
Thanks for the follow, Murray Short 44. Hope you have a good time here. And yes, I really like this one because it has these thick legs that really don't look like they should be on a terrestrial scorpion. Like it looks weird. We don't have things that look like that nowadays, I would say. So it's an interesting species. Iman Farmer asked, any stem deuterostome in the mix? I think so.
Not really. Yes and no.
I don't remember. No. It's not a. It's not a stem deuterostome. I don't think we do have this, but it's difficult to find enough diversity to put everywhere. So if you have suggestions, though, you can send me a message, and I will add it to the next list for next year. Okay, we're good.
Yes.
We're good for Eramoscorpius. I'm going to add it. 21. Eramoscorpius. Yes. Next. Vertebrate. Up. What do we have here? Epicyon.
Oh.
Epicyon. Very easy. I'm not going to spoil it. Shut up. Shut up, Jigger. Epicyon. Up. And who is a good doggo? It's Epicyon. Okay, this one is very interesting. It's going to be quite easy, I think. It's a big dog. It's the largest canid that we know of. It's larger, the largest being as big as an average-sized lion. So, big boy. For comparison, everybody loves talking about the direwolves, Einiosaurus, which is actually only slightly larger than the biggest modern wolf subspecies, so closer to a Pyrenees dog, and only half the weight of this boy. So respect for Epicyon. It's part of a group called the Borophaginae, yeah. Which are the bone-crushing dogs, the name that they use. So they have these adaptations with very thick teeth, not as specialized as what we can find in hyenas, but quite similar still, and they were probably among the top predators of their ecosystem. Any commentary?
No, that's good.
Very well. Yes, is the forbidden petting. I mean, maybe you can pet it, but only once.
Yes, one time.
One time.
One time with each hand.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Well, we can add it to the list. 22. Epicyon. I think I added a space here. Yes. Better. Okay, next. We're going fast. It's cool. Inverts. And it's yellow. Yes. Oh, it's appearing so late during the month. I hope I can draw it. This one is Oryctoantiquus, and I like this one for a very specific reason.
Yes, very specific reason.
Very specific reason. Very personal reason, I would say. This is the oldest Dynastinae beetle that has ever been found. And it so happens that I'm doing my PhD on Dynastinae beetles, so rhinoceros beetles. So it was very close to my heart, and I'm actually using it for analysis that I'm doing right now. So I'm very grateful for this this fossil. Oryctoantiquus, so it's a dynast beetle, meaning that it's one of these huge beetles with very thickened exoskeleton. I do not know. We do not know if it had a horn on the head or pronotum. I'm getting a bit tired, sorry. But it's very very plausible because it has been assigned to the tribe of Oryctini, which are known for having these horns. In Oryctini, there's the rhinoceros beetle that we have in Europe, by the way. I think there's Oryctini a bit everywhere in the world. And most of the time, the males will have a horn on the nose, but not the females. And by the way, hello Patato, welcome to the stream. Do you have something to add on this one?
No, you are the specialist.
I'm the specialist, yes. And what is very interesting about this one is that it's 45 million years old, and it's already a giant insect. I mean, Dynastinae are big beetles. There are small ones in the group, but they are known for reaching very big dimensions sometimes. And this one is already a big one, so that probably means that Dynastinae are way older than that, because you need to have a bit of time for them to grow to these sizes. Anyway, this is my subject, so anyway, I'm talking too much. Next, I'm going to just add it. Oryctoantiquus. Don't worry, I can write this one. I already wrote its name too many times, yes. Watching this stream with Dinosaurus Biscuit equals perfection. Yes. Next, a vertebrate for the 24th of October. Come on, yes. What are you? Sorry, I'm very, we are, again, very biased. Varanus sivalensis. Okay. Varanus sivalensis. Very interesting animal. Tac. And there you go. So, Varanus sivalensis. Where did I put it? Yes, I was on it. Yes. Do you want to explain?
If you want.
Yes, I do.
Okay. So everybody knows the Komodo dragon. And what is interesting about the Komodo dragon is that it's both the largest lizard, modern lizard, and the last lizard of big lineage of monitor lizards that were a lineage of giant monitor lizards, the most famous being the Meiolania, Varanus priscus. And Meiolania is known to have been very, very, very big, even if, like most fossils, the size is a little bit oversized. But anyway, and so this lineage of giant monitor lizards that is present only on the Komodo Island and some other island in the modern time was present in was very broadly distributed a few million years ago. And Varanus sivalensis is just like a Komodo dragon. It's very close morphologically, but lived in India, so very far from Komodo Islands and all those islands. And it was probably very similar ecologically. It was the same sized, and that's it.
Mm-hmm.
It lives in the same biotas and a lot of very known fossil mammals such as Civatherium. you know, a kind of giraffe, but not a giraffe. And that's a nice predator.
Mm-hmm. That means that there's a lot of possibilities to
Yes.
represent it. You can go wild with the colors and the patterns. By the way, there's a lot of very pretty patterns in Varanidae in general, even in lizards in general. Lizards have incredible patterns with the scales and the colors that they can have. So you can really go wild with this one. And we know a bit about the environment of these lizards, so there's a lot of potential with this one. And it's not just because I have a scaly ferret at home.
No, not at all.
Not at all. No bias. So, Varanus sivalensis. Oh, on the same...
Oh no.
Oh no! Sivalensis. Oh,
No problem.
no, it's fine. We'll just have to we can even do it right now. Up. Fine.
Nice.
Perfect. Ha. Okay, next. Invert. There's not many pieces of paper anymore. And this one is... Why? Why is it so late? This one was suggested by a friend. It's Cambropachycope. Cambropachycope. It's... if you thought that you had seen everything in terms of weirdness, think again. This is an alien. You're not ready. Okay, let's go. What? What is this thing? Cambropachycope was suggested to me by another very interesting person, and it's a it's an arthropod. It comes from Sweden. It does not come from Mars. It comes from Sweden. So Sweden probably is...
It comes from the planet from Subnautica. Don't fool us.
Yes, I think that Subnautica actually happened in Sweden.
Yes.
And the head is... how do I put it?
The first
there's-
brown part.
This thing is a giant eye, and it's not the head. It's not the totality of the head. The head continues after. So this leg, this first pair of legs, is not legs, it's the antennae. It's just extremely weird. And fortunately it's quite small. And it's from 500 million years ago, and we have excellent representations of the fossil. I think it was reconstructed in 3D. I think.
No, it's
No.
electron microscope.
Yes, it's electron microscope. Okay, and it's. We really have to open our mind to what actually has existed on Earth.
In fact, you cut the big part with the eyes and you have a shrimp. It's
Yes, yeah. It's just a weird shrimp with a weird eye. But it's still a very weird shrimp. And I really love it.
Yeah.
It was a very nice discovery. Well, let's add it to the list. Cambropachycope. There we are. I hope you like this this list. I really hope you like it. I'm losing my my voice. Yes, we did outdo ourselves. Okay, next vertebrate. Let's go for the 26, and it's Sphenacodon. Easy, cutie. It's a known, relatively known species. Sphenacodon. Easy for this one. Yeah. Look at that cutie. Exactly like an Edaphosaurus that lost its sail.
Dimetrodon.
A Dimetrodon. Oh, yeah. Sorry. Yeah. It's a Dimetrodon without a sail, with a very small sail. It still has a sail. It's just a weird sail. What can we say about it? Where is it? Yes. So, Sphenacodon is closer to us than to lizards. It's a synapsid. And it's quite close to Dimetrodon, so it's it has this weird mouth shape that you can find in Dimetrodon, and I don't know. I like it. It. It's cute.
Really the same thing than Dimetrodon, but without the sail.
Sorry, I didn't hear you.
Really the same thing than a Dimetrodon, but without the sail.
Yeah.
For me, it's the Suchomimus of the Dimetrodon.
It's a bit the Suchomimus to a Spinosaurus.
Yes.
But to a Dimetrodon.
Yes.
Anyway. So cute thing. I like it, and you will like it as well. And let's add it to the list. Sphenacodon. Sphenacodon. There we are. No, I moved. Next, there's only three papers. I want this one.
We still don't have the best.
The best?
The oldest one. You will see.
I think I know what you're talking about. Okay. And this one is Cyrtograptus.
Oh.
Cyrtograptus. It's kind of a normal thing, I would say, that people don't know about. People are not used to work to draw them, I would say. No.
It's a nice
Sorry,
thing.
it's a very nice thing, actually. It's a very, very nice thing. Yes. Okay, let's go. Ta-da. Okay, Cyrtograptus. It's a graptolite. What are they already? Let me get... Yes, there we are. They are colonial hemichordates. Hemichordates are marine worms related to the Echinodermata, so starfishes and Ophura, Ophurides.
Concombre de mer en français.
Sea cucumbers. Yes.
Nudibranche? Je ne sais plus.
Which ones?
Nudibranche, je ne sais plus.
No, nudibranche are snails.
So.
Snails. Yes, sea stars and sea cucumbers, yeah. And they are absolutely beautiful. Nudibranche are protostomes.
Yes, so not
Yes,
related.
yeah. So really beautiful. And you can see that they had a sort of floater on top that was floating at the surface of the water, and these big structures that they developed on that are supposed to be colonies and that feed like that. And it's beautiful, it's weird as possible, and I think that artistically, again, it has a lot of potential. Do you have anything to say?
You really have a lot of little parts, and in each of those parts you have a shell, and inside the shell you have a tiny kind of marine worm, you will say.
Yes.
And that's the Graptolite, the colony of tiny marine worms, each in its shell.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
So it's a very weird creature.
Yeah.
Or colony rather than creature.
Yeah. It's a colonial organism.
Yes. And what is really interesting with the Graptolites in general is that they are very abundant in the fossil record from the Cambrian to the Carboniferous, and we think they disappeared during the Carboniferous, but recent studies showed that some other hemichordates that are still present in the oceans are in fact Graptolites.
Yes.
So we have a relictual group of Graptolites that is still present in our oceans.
Mm-hmm.
And it was not known even 15 years ago.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And this is incredible. So I'm really glad that we added this one. Okay, let's go to the next one. Let's add it to the list and go. Cyrtograptus. Okay. Next, it was a vertebrate. Not vertebrate.
No.
The vertebrates of the
Not
Graptolites.
even a chordate.
Not even a chordate, yeah. So now we want a vertebrate. Let's go. Only 4. It's almost over. And I wondered when it was going to appear. This one is Agapornis longipes. So if you know your birds, you're going to say, "Wait a minute, Agapornis? I know that one. I know. It's a lovebird, but this one is extinct." And this species is called longipes for a good reason, because it had long feet. Very long feet compared to the size of the bird, so researchers were a little bit surprised when they found it. And we think that it had adaptations rather for open environments, and maybe it was running around on the ground. We don't know. And what is interesting also is that it was found in what is called the cradle of humanity, which is in South Africa, which is the place where they also found the child of Tong. I don't remember. Many fossil hominids. Yep, here. The cradle of humankind. Thank you. Not humanity. And they were found alongside first humans, but not Homo sapiens, but Australopithecus. Okay, it was Tong. Okay, thank you, Amy. So it's very cute. It's a lovebird, and it has comically large feet. I knew I had to add it to the list. go wild with the colors as well, because it's a bird. Birds can be all colors.
But all modern Agapornis have orange head. So
Do they?
Yes.
Okay.
In the wild lineage, but you have a lot of human selections that have been done.
Yes.
But if you look at the wild lineage, the wild species, they all have this difference of color between the body and the head is almost always orange.
Okay, I believe you. So, keep the head orange and go wild with the rest of the body. Okay, Agapornis longipes. Let's add it to the list.
Our last dinosaur, I think.
Our last dinosaur of the list. Whew. It still works in the... Oops. I moved. In the list. Cool. Next. An invert. Non-vertebrates. Which one is it going to be? No, I lost it. No more invertebrates. Sorry. And Bellerophon. So we have
the oldest and the last day.
Bellerophon for this one. It's a mollusk. Shut up. I need to first show the slide and then I say what it is. Let's go. Bellerophon! Oh, it's beautiful! It's a mollusk. It's a... is it...
It's a kind of gastropod.
It's a kind of gastropod, but we don't know exactly what. And the problem is that it spans from 425 million years ago to 240 million years ago. So this is a wastebasket taxon. There's a lot of probably different things that have been lumped in this taxon. By the way, Bellerophon is the name of a Greek hero, so if you type this name, you won't find anything. You have to add SP or Bellerophon mollusk to find information about it. Otherwise, you're just going to read about Greek history, which is also interesting, but not the topic of tonight's list. And we are not sure exactly yet in terms of classifications. Yes, like you said, Amy, stem gastropod, and that's all that we know. And yes, we do have them in France. Do you have anything to add?
No.
No, it's pretty. It's I really love the texture on top of the shell. I think it's very, very beautiful. Okay, let's add it to the list. Ah, stop moving. Bellerophon. SP? Yes, SP, just in case people have trouble finding it.
Yes.
Because not everybody is going to look at the stream. So yeah. And for the last ones, I wonder which of the little papers I have to. Hey,
Oh.
I don't have a paper anymore. Oh, a paper! Thank you. And nice.
Oh yes, we forgot this.
We forgot this one. So Agapornis was not the last dinosaur because the last dinosaur is Miragaia. 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 And we love him. Why did we forget about it? Hopla. Transition. And we love it. Why do we love it? Well, first, it's a dinosaur, so it's very easy to like a dinosaur. It's most importantly a long-necked stegosaur with 17 vertebrae in the neck, and it's sort of the giraffe of Stegosauria. It also has very long forelimbs, so it has a very peculiar posture, and I really love it. Some will say that it's the same as Dacentrurus. This is not yet solved, so we considered that it was its own genus. And it's very beautiful. It has this combination of plates and spikes. It's very elongated, and I love it. It was found in Portugal, by the way, in the Lourinhã formation. There's a lot of data about this formation, so you can find many different species to put next to it. A lot of information about the environment, so go wide with that one. And yes, Pokesaurus, we are biased here. Hope they will add it to Prehistoric Kingdom. Yeah. No, they should be everywhere. They should be everywhere. We love them. Okay, anything to add?
I'm not sure the neck is known, in fact.
You're not sure what? Sorry?
The neck is known. It's on the holotype, so the tip specimen, the neck is not known. So I'm not
Oh,
even
it's
sure.
on other specimens.
I don't know. But it's quite weird because it's a long-necked stegosaur, but we don't know the neck. So
I read that we knew 15 out of the 17
maybe
vertebrae.
on other specimens.
But not on the holotype.
Yes, and that's a problem, potentially.
Yeah. Well, we're going to pretend like we don't know about that. And we are just going to enjoy drawing a long-necked stegosaur because we are not here to do the taxonomy. We have to wait for the experts to do the work. Unfortunately. Let's go. Let's add it to the list. Yeah. And finally,
The last.
best
The
for the
oldest
last.
one.
The oldest. The weird thing. You are again going to love us. The name is Discogma. Discogma. What is that? What is this name that doesn't sound normal? It's because there's nothing normal about this specimen. Please welcome one of the oldest eukaryota.
The oldest known fossil eukaryota.
Very well, the oldest fossil eukaryota. It is what we know about it. Wait, let me find my notes again. Where are my notes? Okay. It might have been terrestrial, which would make of it one of the first terrestrial organisms. It looks like an urn, so a pot, with filaments inside to grab the food, and it has sort of a hollow stem that connects to the other urns on the ground. And ta-da! It's weird, and it's weirdly complex, I think, for the oldest eukaryota fossil that we have ever found.
But eukaryota are, by definition, complex.
Yes.
You may explain what is an eukaryota?
Yes. Eukaryota are the it's us. It's we are
But
part
not
of
just us.
not just us, but it's everything that has a cell with a nucleus. Because so it's in opposite to bacteria and Archaeobacteria. It's one of the three main domains of life. So, and it's weird.
It contains everything that has more than one cell. So
Yes.
every plant, every fungi, every animals, the amoebae, and a lot of other things.
Mm-hmm.
Everything that is not a bacteria.
Yeah.
And this is the first fossil of this big lineage.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. So it's incredible. It's really incredible.
So we will end the month with the beginning.
Yes, we end the month with the beginning, and it's very Ted Chiang. Ted Chiang has written a lot of stories with his knowledge about cycles and everything. But
Don't let mathematicians write
science fiction.
Science fiction.
Yes, because it's beautiful. It's way too beautiful for our poor brains. And yes, we did a little mistake. It's Eukaryota with a K.
Really?
Yes. Yeah, it's French to have a C.
Yes, frog.
Yeah, we are
Hi,
frogs.
frog.
We are frogs. We are proud frogs. Ribbit. Okay, well, with this weird thing, discogma, we have finished the Paleoctober list. So, what did you think? Are you happy with the diversity that we put in here? I think that we can be we can be proud of our list. We really have managed to find species from all the realms we could find. We still put a lot of easy taxa like dinosaurs and mammals in there. So we have, maybe we are lacking in lizards. Maybe we're, but it's hard to.
It's only a month.
It's only a month. It's only 31 to represent the
Every life form.
Yeah, every life form, and to try to make it feasible to follow for anyone that is just an artist and for who this is not their work. We have tried to find taxa where if you type the word in Google, you can find data, because for some that we had considered, there was very, very, very little.
You can say nothing.
There's nothing on the internet. Like, the word almost doesn't exist.
Yes.
Not even a photo of the fossil.
Nothing.
Even though they are super interesting, so we will have to beg for photos to the museums so that we can put it on Wikipedia or whatever.
Yeah, but it won't work.
Yeah.
If you want to know more, it's we are talking about kind of fossil grasshopper that is really interesting, really nice, and but it comes from Russia, and Russian scientists.
Russian
scientists, they don't work anymore with us.
Yeah.
They have real.
They have orders to
Yes, real orders.
severe communications with the Occident, and it has become very hard to do any collaboration with Russian scientists, and also because they have very serious consequences on their careers if they dare to go against Putin. So it's we are trying to have more collaboration around the world, and politics sometimes go in the way of all of this. So
But
yeah,
not only in Russia.
not only Russians. Yes. Crow time. Anyway, Imen Farmer asks, where are my crown vertebrate boys? Well, as always, we don't have enough space to put everybody in here. Some people have already told us that it was a shame that it didn't have enough dinosaurs. I already think that every year we put 4 dinosaurs, which is a lot for the diversity of dinosaurs. I mean, if we had to be honest, we would have to put like 90% ammonites.
Yes, and those
Ammonites, trilobites,
are corals. And you know the little things. Don't you remember, Zach?
Yes. Yes. The things that are very used for stratigraphic datation. That constitutes diatomite.
No.
No?
No. I don't remember.
I don't remember.
No, diatomite is
small.
diatome.
Okay. Forams.
Yes.
Yes. Foraminifera. Yes. Thank you, Vulcan.
It's midnight here.
Yes. You saved us. So yes, thank you for having followed this stream, and I'm going to put the list as quickly as I can, maybe probably after the stream, on every single platform. Please share it around, and I'm going to upload as well this stream to YouTube, so that people who want to follow and learn about these species can learn. And I think this is everything that we had to say.
Yes.
And so this will be on Instagram, Blue Sky Mastodon. I'm not going to participate on X for obvious reasons, and I don't think there are other platforms that I want to interact on. So on these 3 platforms, I will be looking at the hashtag PaleoCtober2025 hashtag. Don't hesitate to @me when you draw one, so that I can share it. I would love to have a big database of all the drawings you did, and to show your work to everybody, so that we can have an emulation and appreciate extinct species all together. So, thank you for having followed, and see you on the next streams. This is all.
Bye.
Bye.